keep it on the screen. Okay, hi everyone. This probably is gonna be a somewhat long video, and if Freya can keep the freaking camera, like just like if you could stop looking at memes and help me with making memes.
Stop looking at memes. This is time to create them.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna be making what? Elmo replaced with Connor. Comrade Connor. We already made Comrade Connor. Comrade Connor was beautiful. Go look at her Instas if you want to go see that.
Heckin' frickin' Hecko 5 and...
Jordan, the gay queen. Okay, first we got our nice, beautiful image of Connor.
It's beautiful.
Okay, but now we're gonna have to crop him out. So let me just pull out this tool.
Just crop out his face and replace it with Elmo. It's the background.
I know. Why else do you think I'm doing this?
Our skills are slowly getting better.
And we just started
till
tonight.
the point of no return.
Yeah. Which is
now
so
we need
scary.
Elmo, and we need to shove him into that.
Yeah, we just need it. Did I save this?
I don't know.
I should have. I think I put it as chill. Just plain old chill.
Chill is for a meme.
Yeah.
You're in S's. Ain't no chill gonna be down there.
I know. I'm trying to find it. There it is. I'm like,
Chill FBI.
FBI.
It's for me.
It's just duplicated already. And then get rid of the
You
background.
need to get rid of everything other than Comrade Elmo.
Exactly. Perfect. There's my cat.
Select invert. This is quality memes. He has that little bit of grass there.
Not anymore, he doesn't.
This is gonna take some editing because his head is smaller than where Connor's head was.
Yeah, but we can just, you know. And also, we need to flip it, I just realized.
Yeah. The flipping's not. Oh,
That's
God.
the wrong number.
That's rotate. We need to flip horizontal.
I knew that.
Pow. This is gonna be the great meme.
This one's one of our shorter ones. You should have. You guys should have seen the process of. Ooh, wait! I just remembered it's selected.
We
so-
don't want to turn that area into just one massive Elmo.
Yeah, that would be bad. Trust us. You do not want to see that.
It would be terrifying. It would be demon fuel.
Select. Okay, now let's just. Swoop.
We need to resize it. Oh God. We need to find a way to get rid of that white spot. Wait, use the that one tool and smear that wall
Oh
back
yeah,
there.
the bandage.
We could try to smear him a neck. That's smeared red. We need it smeared gray. Like that wall. Rub some of it onto the wall so that like it smears with the wall, not with Elmo. That's it's smearing with Elmo.
Why is it wanting to smear with Elmo? Here's what we should do. Get rid of Elmo. Smear it. Maybe make a new layer.
You didn't
Duplicate layer.
even have a layer selected. You were trying to edit it on nothing. That should work.
What did it do?
I don't know. Just roll with it.
Okay.
We don't need to edit all of it because Elmo's going to cover part of it. That should work. I think it's combining his suit and the wall into one thing.
Yeah.
Now this is going to be Comrade Elmo, so we're going to need that hat again.
Yeah. I'll pull that up as soon as I get Elmo fitting in this.
We're having Elmo at a tux fitting.
I just want to try and get this precise.
Also, it still says 28 stab wounds.
28 stab wounds.
Just Elmo saying that would be great.
28 stab wounds. Oh.
It's smeared with the bottom text. Let's just roll with it. Just undo. Keep it to where it was combined with the wall and the suit, because that looks best. Kind of what
It
we
looks
got.
like he's wearing jeans on his head, though.
He's got a bunch of folded clothes on his head. But it's going to be covered up with the Soviet hat.
Good point. You're right.
So jeans on his head is fine for now. Elmo doesn't have a neck.
But don't worry, we can fix that with the power.
That head is very unproportional right now.
Shh. We don't talk about that. Okay, that's gonna be good for now. Okay, this is the hard part.
Are we going to do the back of it, the hat as well, like we did
I
with Connor?
guess. I mean, we're probably gonna have to. I'm gonna duplicate 2 layers. Just
That way you can like,
yeah, so it's easier.
select inverse and delete it. Pow.
If it would.
It
Oh, that's right. There's 2.
just like if you hide that one, it'll show you what that one is.
Yeah, hide that.
Pow. Now when editing that
First,
one,
I'm
you can
actually
hide
gonna
that.
delete that. Actually, just real fast.
Just so you can get that one into there. Get.
I forgot that
It's
it did
so
that.
big.
Don't mind that, folks. Nothing that we cannot fix.
Oh,
First
God.
off,
Elmo's eyes.
I know what to do. We need to move it back.
Back behind Elmo.
Yeah, how did I
If you
do
move
that?
it behind Elmo, though.
Don't apply. Send it back.
That was all the way back.
You're
It's
right.
behind the background.
Bring to front. No.
Send
Bring it back. Where?
Send
Yeah,
back.
actually, that works. That works. I just need to shrink it. Remember?
Yeah, but now Elmo's not really wearing it. It's kind of just behind him. Oh God, it's
weird.
It's terrifying. Soviet Elmo. It's good for now. We just need the back of the hat.
Hang on. Let's.
What if we just purposefully make it cover his eyes? What if go to the Elmo head, edit to where it's just his eyes out, and move his eyes down next to his nose?
Okay.
Just like get one eye, and we can flip it, and we can.
No, I
copy
can.
and
I can
flip
get
it.
both. Trust me.
Yeah,
You
just-
underestimate my power. You underestimate my power, young Padawan.
Where's Pow? It's terrifying.
My cats are like,
You
what are
need
you?
to split the eyes. That way we have 2 eyes that we can move separately.
You know what? You're right. Deselect. I'm gonna get this eye because this eye looks a little bit better because there's more of it.
Yeah. Pow. Now with just that, when we need to, we can duplicate that. Duplicate that way, and then flip the
How
duplicate.
do I duplicate? Just duplicate?
Yeah.
There?
Now flip that one horizontally, and then that's the 2 eyes we'll use. Pow. That's
No, that's flip both of
disorienting.
them.
Why did it flip both of them?
I think I have an idea.
If you do that, and then you head to Elmo, purposefully cover his eyes with that hat. You need to go to the hat layer,
You're right.
and then if you deselect, grab the hat. You need to get the select tool and grab that hat and bring forward,
Perfect.
and then move his eyes like down to there. It's so great.
Move it a little bit downward. What if we give him an eye patch?
What, like one eye and then an eye patch on the other side?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Perfect.
He is
Unless-
insane.
Okay, now I want to see.
That is, he's going insane. He is on crack.
I can't do this anymore.
This is the best one. This is the best one. Oh my god.
It's 1:30 in the morning.
It went
This is-
from that to this.
All right.
Now we need to get the back of the hat. Cheeky breaky.
Yeah, delete that.
Now we need to. This was the one where we had to delete little by little.
Oh yeah. Deselect.
You need to delete that top part and then get the outer edges.
But no, actually, this is the one where I got it all in one go. You underestimate my power, young Padawan. Shh, we don't talk about this.
This is just beautiful. Wait, make sure nothing's selected.
Okay, nothing selected.
We don't want. Whoa, what?
What? Civ. Maybe something was selected and we just didn't see
It's
it.
trying to put it in that, which is the eyes layer.
Okay,
So
now let's bring it.
drag it in. It's down there. It's down there. You need to drag it up. It's massive. It's that one. It's that big that we are seeing the top corner of it. You need to move it back to behind Elmo's head.
You're right. First, we need to make it small.
We need to make it to where it fits. That needs to be a lot less tall.
I know, you're telling me. I'm the one who's...
It's not a cape.
Yeah,
That'd be a really interesting cape.
a Chancellor's cape.
Look like you wearing pants on your back.
Okay, yeah, that works.
Now we need to accept the thing.
I did.
Right down there. Pow. Now move.
Send backwards.
Send backwards again. You're gonna have to send it backwards a few
Send
times.
it back.
Now just send it forward.
No, that works right there, see?
Yeah, but you can't see the flap.
Shh. It's just a small one. I think we're
What
finished
is
here,
this?
folks.
Wait.
I think we're
Go
finished.
get a traditional USSR gun. You're just gonna have one setting against the wall in the background.
Just shush. PNG. Some lazy. This'll work, right?
Mm-hmm. Chill, it's for a meme.
Oh, guys.
Just why are they searching so much you?
Just chill, guys. We're just gonna put it like right there in the corner.
Yeah, just like leaning against the wall. Chill, it's for a meme. Chill, it's for a meme.
Okay.
It's also not the background this time.
Yeah, and it's also just to be safe that we're gonna.
Make sure you get the trigger.
Yeah, I know.
Triggered.
Trigger me, Elmo.
You don't have that up there. The thingy at the front.
This is a very complex. Shush, we're just gonna ignore that, okay? We're just gonna ignore it because I'm lazy.
Understandable. Have a nice day.
Alright, now we're gonna image and we're gonna rotate.
It needs to be like perfect, actually.
Actually.
Now just flip it horizontally. And that's not that. That's not horizontally. And then we can set it up in.
Yeah, perfect. High five.
This is godly. Oh. All you have to do is shrink it, and that's basically in the perfect position. Elmo's knows you've been selling crack. I bought some last week.
Why is it a twig?
Super tall. Just like take that one and just shrink it, the entire image. Move it back to down behind this layer, so that way it's...
Boom, perfect.
Yes. This is...
And folks, we are finished. Because I'm lazy.
Oh
It's a
my
beautiful-
god.
Elmo knows about the crack. Elmo knows about the weed you've been selling. My cat is a broken cat. Look at him, he's like...
And there's...
Yeah, that's...
what do we even call this? It's...
Comrade Connor.
Elmo.
Comrade Connor Elmo.
Connor.
They need a ship name.
Kelmo.
Kelmo. Kill me. Perfect. Okay. Alright, folks.
Or...
That's it. Peace.